Good morning. Welcome to Workout Wednesday on a Thursday, another crazy week. Sorry about that. Today we're going to talk about breathing with exercise. So when we're breathing with exercise, we really want to be using a diaphragmatic breath. And the way that we use that diaphragmatic breath is we help to train the diaphragm to accept more load, okay? And what that does, it also helps to reduce the strain on our accessory muscles, it helps us to oxygenate better, and it also helps connect our core. Diaphragm is part of our core, so using it effectively will really help us manage pressure, load, and be great for our pelvic health. So the best way to do that is to really think about, okay, using that diaphragmatic breath and incorporating it into progressively more challenging exercises. So it's easy for us to pair a breath with an exercise like a squat, where we're inhale, exhale with each part of the exercise. So to start to progress it, you can do a squat hold, where you come down, and now you're thinking about, okay, now I'm going to breathe here. Come back up. For exercises like weight bearing with a plank, a great way to start with it would be to start just on hands and knees and start with a core contraction here. Contracting that core, and now beginning to hold while you're breathing. And once you master that, then you can start adding more challenging activities, like starting to move into a plank or starting to move into maybe a bird dog. So one important thing to remember with this is that sometimes people confuse diaphragmatic breathing with a relaxed belly breath, meaning they let the belly go when they inhale. And when you're breathing with exercise, you're going to need your core strength and control. A relaxed belly breath is wonderful for relaxation, mindfulness, meditation. But when we're exercising, we do want to maintain some tone in our abdominals to help to support our trunk and manage pressure. So I just want to show you the difference between kind of a relaxed belly breath and a toned belly breath. So here we are. Here's my relaxed belly. Sorry, a little too much elevation there. And here's my toned belly breath. So I'm still got the mechanics of that diaphragmatic movement without the complete relaxation of the belly. So go ahead and give that a try. Try incorporating diaphragmatic breathing into your workouts and see how they feel. It should really improve your performance and just general tolerance. Have a great day.